Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to seek out information that can help us. There's a lot of endings coming in the world, but remember that that makes way for new beginnings. We are walking away from things that we can't do anything about, and we're following our hopes and dreams now. In the past, we allowed life to pass us by, but we got out of our comfort zone and we are waiting for possibilities to come for us now. You and your partner are actually becoming a team now, and he's focused on what he's doing, and you focusing on also moving forward. You both have set boundaries, and there's respect and calm and love in your relationship. There's disappointment in some affairs, but there's big changes coming for the better. You carried on doing what you were doing, and things are going to work out for you. You in your power of peace and harmony, and you trusting the divine. You had dealings with a relationship with an older man, and there's justice and love and harmony coming into the situation. You can move forward with confidence and joy and happiness. Um, be excited for your future. There's peace and harmony coming into your home, and you have spent a lot of time deliberating, and you're on your own 2 feet now, following your own light, and the universe says yes, they are going to be with you. They say you'll be receiving a very precious gift. You had to gain confidence to receive this, but you're ready. It's something new, but it's something that you always dreamed of as a child. There will be money coming to your way. Things are going to start happening very quickly. You've been very patient and you've tried out a lot of things, and there's light at the end of the tunnel. You've actually grown stronger within yourself. There's opportunities waiting for you. You're going to get victory news soon, which is going to bring love and loyalty and harmony in your relationships, not only in the home, but with everyone and everything. You're going to find balance, and you will get a raise in your money. You have strong emotions, both passionate and hate, and you're acknowledging this within yourself, and this is allowing you to acknowledge it in others. You're finding peace and harmony where you are at the moment in your life. And Spirit says, carry on doing what you're doing, it's going to pay off. Your loved ones say, cleanse your energy, open your arms to receiving, and it is safe for you to let go of old emotional pain. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all.